In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to convert Figma into code within just 5 minutes. If you're a designer or developer, you probably know how time-consuming and sometimes daunting it can be to translate designs into clean, efficient code. But fear not, because we're about to simplify that process significantly using an AI-powered tool. To start, make sure you have access to Figma, which is the collaborative interface design tool of choice for many designers around the world. Now, if you don't have Figma open yet, head over to their website. You'll find a straightforward login button right on the homepage. Don't forget your credentials. Logging in is your gateway to all your past projects, and of course the tool we're going to use today. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Figma homepage. From here, navigate through your recents and shared files. Identify the specific design file you want to work with. Browse through your dashboard until you find the file you're aiming to convert into code. A simple click on that file will open it up, bringing you to an interface you're likely familiar with. The next important step is to find the action section within your file. This is where a little bit of magic happens. It's a good idea to get accustomed to this area, as it's the gateway to various plugins that can extend Figma's native functionality. Now, we're zeroing in on a particular plugin. In the action panel, type in Anima in the search bar. Anima is the plugin that will facilitate the smart bridging of design and development by converting your Figma designs into workable code. As you type and search for Anima, you should see it pop up right away. Anima is a widely recognized tool that seamlessly translates your designs into responsive HTML, React, or even Vue code. Once you locate Anima, go ahead and install it. Installation is typically quick and straightforward, just like installing an app on your browser. And just like that, you're set to transform your Figma design file into code. With Anima now at your disposal, converting your intricate and beautiful designs into workable, developer-friendly code is as easy as a few clicks. With these steps, you'll not only streamline your workflow, but also significantly cut down the time from design to deployment. Whether you're an indie developer or part of a larger team, this method is a game changer. So get ready to give this a try and watch as your design visions efficiently transform into fully coded reality. With practice, this process becomes second nature, making you more efficient and allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects that you love.